Today we're gonna make a special Fudgee bar snack, and I'm gonna be trying out this exclusive Nescafe coffee. What is a Fudgee bar? It's almost like a, one of those little Debbie processed cake bars you find in the store. The inside, there's like a little bit of chocolate filling. It's really good just in itself, but Sheila's got a nice little spin we're gonna try it today.
Yeah, I just saw this on Facebook. Chef Ubang, shout out to you if you're watching. Mix, mix, mix. More cream, more lamig.
You're not gonna make all of them?
Because it's screwed. I think it's kuan. It's a lot of.
I'm gonna try it, but I'm gonna make my coffee first. It's only 488 pesos on Lazada, online. They're charging like 700, 800 pesos plus shipping. The cup is supposed to be free, but online it looks like they're charging more for it. Oh, what you got? Here's Tanya, check it out. Tanya, show them what you got. Yeah, Tanya went and got ice cream with her mom. So this is a pretty good deal. And this is just like higher quality than the regular Nescafe. Tanya's ice cream.
Good.
Oh, that's pretty good, yeah. I like it. I love the glass jar that this comes in. It's so high quality. Oh yeah. You want some?
No, the cup is so nice.
Yeah, it's a nice cup, huh? It's good. It's bitter, just like regular black coffee, but it's not too strong. I think I could have put a little bit more in there, but it's like 3 p.m. now, so I don't need it to be that strong. You know, they don't look that appetizing, but Sheila and Tanya say it's good.
Can I try?
I burned myself a little bit.
I want some too.
Anything sweet goes good with coffee.
Milk chocolate.
What you think, yeah?
Good.
Good? Just kumoy. What is tomorrow?
My school.
It's your first day of school, huh?
That is my backpack. Let
Nice.
me show you the inside.
You put some stickers on there. Look really good.
Kitty.
Let's see what you got on the inside. So many notebooks.
Yeah. And
Wow.
one paper. I like the white one.
This is the MacBook M1, and I got it in 2021. Since I've owned this laptop, I have not taken the back apart and cleaned where the air intake is. This MacBook has a special screw on the outside that you can't just get at any store. I don't know what they call it, but you really only find it on these M1 Mac chassis, maybe on the older models too. It's like a star bit, kind of, but this toolkit has different sizes of those star bits that I need. And I'm gonna take this back panel off and try to see how dirty this has gotten since 2021, especially being that we live in kind of an open house concept. The windows are open, we have a dirt floor, even the walls, air comes through. So this has been exposed to a lot of dust and dirt over the years. Just pry it under the corners. Dang. It's definitely dirty. I mean, I gotta say, if it's since 2021, I don't think it's that bad, especially using it out here in the Philippines with all this dirt and this open house concept. Fans are pretty dirty there. So I'm gonna clean this the best I can. I think we're good enough there on that back panel. Let's just kind of plug away at this. All right, I'm gonna call that good enough. I think it looks pretty good. It's better than it was before. All right, let's try to get this cover on. And that's it. Let's see if it works. Boom, there we go. It's working for now.
That's yours or Tita's? That's yours or Tita's?
That's mine, Titania.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me check yours.
That's it today, guys. Hope you liked the vlog. Thanks for watching.